Hi everyone, welcome back to Youthful Minds. I'm Belle. You may or may not know, but July is BIPOC Mental Health Awareness Month. BIPOC stands for Black, Indigenous, and People of Color. Today, we have a special guest here to talk to us about why mental health is important, especially in the Black community. Let's welcome Mr. Malik.
Hey, how you doing, Belle?
Hi, Mr. Malik.
How you feeling today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Your waves look nice.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah, you know. So, Mr. Malik, tell us about yourself. What do you do?
I counsel kids that live in inner city communities, also a co-founder of Millennial Jew Team. We focus about Black liberation and mental health awareness.
Oh, cool. So why is the conversation about mental health so important in the Black community?
Well, Belle, it's really important because of the trauma that we face in the world. It's a lot of trauma that Black people face in the world, especially in inner city communities. We have kids that's in the foster care system, we have kids that do not have a stable home, and we also have kids that deal with gun violence every day. Did you know that African American children from low-income households experience more traumatic events than any other race?
So what are some of the barriers around people in the Black community seeking help for their mental health?
A lot of barriers that we may face in the Black community. For example, the cost of therapy can be expensive, so a lot of people may not be able to afford that. Or people are ashamed to get counseling because they're afraid they may be looked at as crazy, weak, or just different. Also, people may think that their behaviors are normal because of what they've seen in their households or communities.
Sometimes when you mention mental health or wanting to get help to adults, they give you this weird look. How can kids like us start the conversation with our loved ones or our parents?
You can simply just speak up. You could tell your parents that you're feeling sad or depressed. You could also tell them when you're feeling happy. And if you try to speak to your parent and they did not give you the best response, you can also talk to a teacher, a counselor, or a mentor.
What can we do to help stop the stigma surrounding mental health?
Well, Belle, we can start by educating ourselves and learn how to deal and cope with our emotions. And we can advocate by informing people around us the importance of mental health.
Do you have any advice on how kids can start taking care of their mental health?
Yeah, mental health is like tying your shoes.
Tying your shoes?
Yeah, tying your shoes. You may tie your shoes quickly without paying close attention to the steps. And then there's a better chance that your laces may come unloose. But if you pay close attention to each step, there's a less likely chance that they will come unloose. That means you may do certain techniques every day without noticing that you're doing them. But if you pay close attention to each coping skill that you was taught, then there's a better chance that you can control your emotions. For example, eating healthy, sleeping, and being active is something that we do every day, but they play a huge role in our mental health. So Belle, one of my favorite things to help with my mental health is deep breathing. It helps with anxiety, it helps with anger, and it also helps me control my emotions.
Are we gonna practice? Can we practice, Mr. Malik?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's practice.
Okay.
Okay, so we inhale for 8 seconds, we hold 4 seconds, and we exhale for 6 seconds. Can you do it?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it with them.
All right. Oh, I feel so much better.
You feel good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, Mr. Malik, for coming and joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. And thank you for tuning into our video this week. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.